This is the Poco M4, the latest Poco from Xiaomi. This has 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. There's also a 4 gig RAM and 64 gig version as well. MediaTek Dimensity 810, no Snapdragon this year, kind of disappointing. 6.6 inch display, 33 watt charging, 5000 mAh battery. And yeah, those are our main specs. Let's open this up. Alright, and here is the phone. Wow, it looks... Let's take all this off first. Plastic, but still a very cool design nonetheless. Pre-installed screen protector, nice. And here we have some Poco stickers, a soft TPU case, and our manuals, and a SIM ejector tool. And down here, our 33 watt charging brick. This thing looks serious. And our charging cable. Yes, it is USB Type-C. Oh no, this is bad. Oh no. I hate when this happens. So first impressions, the display looks really nice. I really like the size of the bezels. Only downside is it's an LCD panel, not OLED, but for the price they're selling this for, I think you can forget them for that. Can't tell if there's a high refresh rate. If there is, then it's 90. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. Alright, so you do have a fingerprint unlock. This is what I don't like about Xiaomi. They make you wait every time. Like, I guess it's over here on the side. Alright, looks decent. Yeah, I mean, despite being an LCD, the display is very, very decent. So as you can see how it launches straight into the Play Store. So far, flagship performance, flagship like speed, you know. The haptic engine when you're typing on the keyboard, very, very tactile. So we have a fingerprint unlock. Now let's set up our face unlock as well. All right. So first off, fingerprint unlock. As expected, it's extremely quick, but is there a way for it to like stay on the lock screen? It doesn't look like it, which is sad, you know, because sometimes you just want to like stay on the lock screen. There's like iPhones doing that, but it is quick. Now face unlock. What? Oh. So face unlock, it does stay on the lock screen. Okay, that's very odd. But face unlock is also very fast. So yeah, face unlock, fingerprint unlock work very well on this device. All right, knife fit, wait. All right, so knife fit works flawlessly. And I didn't even have to turn off ads this time. Now WindRider, on the other hand, also works very well. So right now we're getting 60 FPS, no lag, no stutter. There was a bit of stutter before, but now it seems to like not happen right now. So yeah, there's a bit of stutter probably because of the ads, and also because it's not the best, like the most powerful hardware. But yeah, all right. So right now this is set to the high graphics pack. Let's see graphics. Yeah, these are set to the highest graphics. What is this? So right off the bat, the game is just running flawlessly, no lag, no stutter. So yeah, gaming on this phone, it's pretty good actually. Oh, what the? Alright, so the speaker is actually pretty quiet, and there was a bit of distortion in one of the videos that I played. So yeah, for the price, I expected the speaker to be a lot better, so pretty disappointed, not gonna lie. Alright, so the specs are not written here in the settings for some reason. Only on the cheap Chinese phone is in the settings. So I'm just gonna put like somewhere on the screen the specs. And yeah, let's take our first selfie. Let's go outside. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? Well, for the 220 bucks, you can find this for, it's a good price. But I think, like, I'm pretty sure you can get even better value for other Xiaomi phones with a Snapdragon chipset. Because this phone, even though it performs decently, there's still a bit of lag and stutter here and there, which is something you wouldn't get on a phone which has a Snapdragon chip. At least one that's like medium to high end, like the 700 series, around that area. But for that, you'll have to spend a little bit more money. Me personally, I think it's worth it, but if you want to sell it for something like this, I think you won't be too disappointed. I mean, you get what you pay for. The display is decent, cameras are pretty good, performance is decent. This phone is overall, it's exceptional, for the price and what it offers. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.